What is up, guys? It has been a while since I've made a video. It's actually been like a month and a half since I've made one, and I figured I'd make a quick update video, which is what this video is going to be, kind of explaining what some of my future travel plans are, which are actually more near future than they are in the longer future. And I figured I'd kind of explain what my upload schedule is going to be like. So just pretty much just a quick update video. So let's get into it. All right, so I was going to start with probably future travel plans. Actually more of near future travel plans. I plan on going back to Europe this winter and finishing off the Nordic countries. So I've been to Denmark, and there's 5 Nordic countries total. The ones I haven't been to yet are Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. And then of course Denmark, but I've been to Denmark. So I want to definitely finish, go to those 4 countries, finish off the Nordic countries, and then probably go to like 1 or 2 more. I'm thinking maybe Germany and Romania. I wanted to go to Romania last time I was in Europe when I was there a few months ago. I didn't go, but I really want to go, so I'm definitely thinking Romania. And there's a bunch of bugs out here. Anyway, Germany, I know a few people who have been to Germany. They said it's a great country. One of them's two of them have actually lived there, and they wrote down a whole bunch of places that I have to visit and told me all the good stuff. So I'm thinking Germany as well, but of course that's not going to be for like another 4 months, so it's not too far away, but a lot of things could change in 4 months. So, but that's what the future travel plans are looking like right now. In terms of like a possible video schedule, I'm probably not going to have one. I used to make weekly videos when I was still in high school. Now I'm in college, and I also have a job. That's how I pay for my trips. And I work 5 days a week, and I go to college. I'm taking 13 credit hours this semester, so I stay pretty busy. I don't have a lot of time to make videos, which is why I haven't made one in a month and a half. So there's probably not going to be much of an upload schedule. There probably won't be too many videos between now and when I go back to Europe in about 4 months. But I just figured I'd make this quick update video, just kind of letting you guys know. That way I didn't just have a random video pop up in the future, not really explain anything. So that's probably going to do it for this video. I don't know when I'll make another video, when I'll upload another one. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one.